Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
Today we're making
what's that? It looks
pastry,
like croissant.
Filipino Empanada. So
Anyway,
let's get to it.
Kids Love Food.
So guys,
Cauliflower.
empanada is a Filipino dish
nice
that we
juice.
use pastry for.
Comment down below and give a like.
So I already cut up
Subscribe
into
to
pieces
Kids
and I've
Love
got some
Food.
cheese in it, so it's
That
nice.
is nicer.
So
Whoa,
make any filling
so
you like. We're
many.
using
I
this.
can't even think of them.
Because
Whoa.
we kids love.
And you can make, and with minced meat, potato, and egg, make it sticky, and some flour and carrots in it. So you can use any shape you like in it. We're using this kind of shape. You have to make sure that it doesn't leak when it's inside the oven. There you go. So this is my filling. You just put it inside and it has egg in it so make it sticky and flour to make it not that runny in it. You have to make sure you squeeze the pastry together or else it will start leaking inside the oven. And you don't want that to happen, do you? So you can use any type of shape, like even traditional shape, but we're just using a very easy shape to use that children can easily just do it together. Like so. And because it's dough, it has to. If you screw it together enough, it'll like stick good. There you go. So guys, now that I've done it all, and what I've done, I just folded it so it doesn't leak as well, more secure. So now we'll put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll see you till then. So here you go guys, and now we have finished making it. It's now all baked. As you see, if it wasn't connected properly, it would have been leaking out already. But luckily, it's not leaked out. It's okay. So anyway, bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go down below, put a thumbs up. We love food!
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
Kids love food. Oh, what's that? It looks like croissant.
Anyway, Kids Love Food.